Hi guys, so here I'm going to show you about charts in Excel, how to use charts and what are the usages of charts. So basically the usage of chart is to prompt to show a picture level data for the picture level representation of the data which you have collated. For example, if you go for any presentations to the higher management or to any senior people, they don't run through your data. They just want to see it how it looks on the chart level, or how it looks diagrammatically or representation wise, how is the chart, how is the data looking up. So that's the most easiest way to present it, and also it takes more than less amount of time to just explain it via words. If you just show the picture representation of the data, it will be much more easier to explain as well as to understand. So that's why charts are mostly used in Excel, and it is very easy to use also. So here I'm going to show you how to use it with a minimal amount of effort. So first of all, to use the charts, you're going to select the data which you want to play around. So this is the data which I've gotten. I'm using the previous amount of data only just to keep it very simple and very understandable. So I've selected the data here. Now I'll go to the menu part and I'll choose insert, and then I'll choose the chart. Now for example, now I'm just going to use pie chart, so that is very easy to understand and to represent as well. So I'm choosing the chart, this one. Okay, so I was chosen the data. So this is 2 column level of data which I've selected, and that's why the data you can see here correctly coming up. Now you can also go ahead and edit the title, chart title. So you can say something like run chart or team chart, something like that. You can make it team chart, okay, something like that. And I'm just using for understanding purpose. You can choose whatever I know. Okay, so here's the data. Now if you want different styles of the data, and that's how you create a pie chart. Now if you want to apply various style of it, you can always go to the layouts and choose whatever way. So this is the easiest way to understand. There is no legends. The legends are inside it. They are embedded inside the color combination, so it is very easy to understand. And just for the understanding purpose, I'll show you the data is it's a actual data. It's nothing like it's referential data. So whatever you edit here, it should pop up, it should show up exactly the same way in the representation also. So now if I do 57, see, this is increased, right? Similarly, if I do if I put the actual value, that is 8 as per our stats, so something like this. All right, so that's how you use charting. As I mentioned, you can always do styling on this also. So yeah, so this looks better. So if I choose this, it automatically comes up like this. Right, now I will show you another way. You can use the same selection concept, and you can build another bar chart or any other chart which you want to put in. So you can go insert again. I'll choose the data and then choose a column. I'll show like this. Okay, so you can see here, it's also pretty simple to create. All you need is select the data and just choose the title, choose the bar chart you want to prepare, and that's about it. It's done. All right, again you can apply various styling here. This one looks better, obviously. So this is how it is. And anything else? So yeah, I guess that's pretty much about it. Again, if you want, you can go with the further amount of charting. Again, you can again select this one and then again choose insert and use maybe chart, some other chart, maybe XY scatter. Yeah, this looks okay. So all of the data might not be relevant to, all of the charts might not be relevant to what data you have. So the data and the charting should go hand in hand. Like for example, this one doesn't make much sense of the data which I have posted. So that's why it looks a bit missing in the sense. All right. So that's all, guys. Just need to select the data, and then you have to choose the insert option and then the chart, and then choose whichever chart you want to go ahead with it. That's all. Thanks. Happy Excel. Bye.